Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into how to use teamwork.com for managing job applications. Now, let's get straight into it. To begin, you'll want to sign up or log in to your Teamwork account. If your business doesn't already have one, signing up is quick and easy. Doing this gives us access to the project management features we need to effectively manage job applications. Next up, we're going to create a new project. Here's why this matters. Each project you create in Teamwork can be customized to represent a different job opening. By doing this, we can streamline the recruitment process and keep track of each application efficiently. Once you've created your project, it's essential to set up task lists. Let me explain why this matters. Each task list could represent different stages in your recruitment process, such as applications received, first interviews, and final round. This helps us because it gives us a clear, visual overview of where each candidate is in the hiring process. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add tasks. The reason we do this is to represent each job application. For each new application received, you'll create a task under the relevant task list and include the applicant's details. This system allows us to easily move applicants through the hiring stages by simply dragging and dropping tasks. Lastly, it's vital to assign each task to the relevant team member. This could be a hiring manager or recruiter, for instance. This is important as it ensures every application is handled by the right person and nothing falls through the cracks. This was a brief walkthrough of how to use teamwork.com for managing job applications. Remember, the key is in setting up your projects and tasks to reflect your recruitment process accurately. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.